On the panel tonight, Sudhanshu Mittal, leader of the BJP, Sushmita Dev, spokesperson of the Congress Party, also an MP, Akar Patel, columnist with First Post, and Kavita Emmanuel, founder and director of Women of Worth, also behind the Dark is Beautiful campaign. Good evening to all of you. Sudhanshu Mittal, the first question has to go to you. Why is Giriraj Singh still a minister? Will he be sacked?
First thing, what Mr. Giriraj said, the party as well as nobody has identified itself with it. They've all said this is something which we do not approve of.
That's not enough
so
anymore.
As far as his statement, allow me, miss. His statement has been squarely and fairly rejected by everybody. Now, there is the second question. What Mr. Giriraj said was in a private conversation and not a public discourse.
Seriously,
it
is that a justification?
Completely indiscretion on it. Allow me to finish, miss. Either you present my point of view or allow me to speak.
Sure, please finish.
If you are already determined to say that we are wrong, then fine. I mean, let me put forward my point of view. It is indiscretion, complete indiscretion, which we reject lock, stock and barrel in terms of a private conversation. But this is not a public discourse. So the culpability of a public discourse is different than what you indiscreetly say in a private conversation. I have heard the spokespersons from Congress in the last 15 minutes before this talk show started. Just 4 instances, and the double standards of what is being stated need to be exposed as well. Tanchmal, a woman is a mal, and she's a 100% Tanchmal. This was a member parliament, woman member parliament from Congress. And you have silence of Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. You have Shri Prakash Jaiswal saying कि पुरानी महिला शादी जब पुरानी हो जाती तो महिला बेकार हो जाती है. And that is acceptable. There is nobody who's condemning it. Nobody, he was a cabinet minister. He's a minister of state. He was a cabinet minister. Nobody removes him. Nobody demands for his removal. And nobody takes the high moral ground. You have Abhishek, Mr. Mukherjee, saying lipstick polish लगा के ये महिलाएं जो है रेप के प्रोटेस्ट के लिए पहुंच
I'm sorry, I'm interjecting again, and I couldn't agree with you more.
Yes.
This list could go on forever, but the question is, does that make what Giriraj Singh has said all right? What we think privately, we execute and practice publicly. The fact is that he has expressed such a sentiment, and he is a union minister.
Let us also understand that so often we discuss things privately. It is completely unacceptable that whatever is a conversation privately is clandestinely recorded and then we make it a mountain out of a mole. Unfair. And he's expressed regret. As far as the party is concerned, we have completely disassociated ourselves with the statement. We have said this is not acceptable, and believe me, if he had made a public statement, I would have been the first man to say he must be immediately removed. You have to make a distinction between a private conversation and a public discourse. Why? I will just give you one more example. Arvind Kejriwal calls Mr. Prashant Bhushan and Admiral Ramdas Kaminepan. All kind of filthy language is used. Nobody said the Chief Minister should be removed. Why not? Okay. There it was a sting operation, there it was a private. Let's not have double standards. And as a Hindi saying goes, जिनके खुद के घर शीशे के होते हैं वो दूसरों पे पत्थर नहीं फेंकते. Everybody wants to sermonize, everybody wants to take the high moral ground, whereas your conduct has been most deplorable. I am not justifying Mr. Giriraj Singh. I am not saying what he has said is right. We all have said no, it is wrong, completely unacceptable. But what happens, and look, so often after debates with the anchors, a lot of informal personal comments are made. Now, those comments would constitute a public discourse, will constitute a statement, and then you hang him for that.
All right.
Unfair.
Okay.
Unfair.
Okay.
Mr. Patel's comments are most unfortunate. As a journalist, I expect him to be neutral. He has charged BJP of believing in racism. Mr. Patel, please substantiate your charge. By what conduct of ours have we shown that we believe in racism? Please do that. Don't have a bias. Don't use a public platform to articulate a bias unsubstantiated and the most vicious attack because of your personal beliefs. I mean, I think as public, we are entitled to an informed accusation. Please give me the substance behind the accusation that the
Certainly.
party believes in racial attacks.
Akar Patel, do you want to take that?
May I ask you if it's true that the May I ask him if it is true that the Nigerian ambassador has lodged a complaint with the government?
Mr. Patel, you have not answered my question.
Why don't you answer that question
You
first?
have made an accusation against
Sudhanshu
the
Mittal,
BJP
why don't you answer that
saying
question first?
that BJP believes in racism. You have to substantiate this statement of yours.
course it does.
How does BJP believe in racism?
Because
Please
you have
tell me.
let a minister who has said something like
No,
this.
no,
remain
Miss
in
Sonia
office.
Gandhi,
you
not
don't
once,
answer. Let Mr. Patel.
but many
let
times.
Mr. Patel say that.
Okay, Mr. Patel,
Let Mr. Patel say it, then
let's
I'll
have it from
respond to
you.
it now. Mr. Patel, yes, let's have your substantiated argument on that.
What about the Goa CM? What has the Goa CM said? Please come
What
to that.
are we
Mr.
discussing?
Mittal,
Let's
may I
discuss
ask
one thing at
you-
a time.
What
Don't
has the Goa
don't
Chief
make
Minister of
allegations
Goa
because
said
you want to
about
make
colour of the
allegations.
skin?
No, what you are making
I'm trying to
allegations for what
give
reasons?
Mr. Patel
We are
a
discussing.
cue.
Let's get Mr. Patel first.
So let him
us
speak
have
then.
Mr. Patel.
What is the
Let's
If you
settle
want
one
an
thing at a
answer from
time.
him, please let him speak.
Let's finish one thing at a
Chief
time. Yes,
Minister of
Mr.
Goa.
Patel. Sir,
Mr.
May I
Patel,
ask you if
Chief
it's
Minister
true
of
that-
Goa has
when you are
talked
asking-
about colour.
If an African
sir,
ambassador,
please, Mr. Patel.
may I speak?
Sure.
If it is true that the ambassador of a sovereign nation has complained to the Union Government of India of racism, the government stands accused of racism. Why is that difficult to understand?
Sir, we are talking about BJP. You have said BJP believes in
Chief
racism.
Minister
So
of
this is
Goa.
it.
Let's not
I mean,
split
I
hairs.
expect you to be
Mr.
more
Mittal.
responsible.
Mr. Mittal.
I expect you to be more responsible when you make a sweeping statement like this. Now let's look at the other stories.
What about the Chief Minister of Goa?
Sushmita ji.
Okay, Sudhanshu
Well,
Mittal,
allow me-
Sudhanshu
Chief
Mittal.
Minister of Goa
Let me
has
take it.
told
Let
the
me please take
nurses
it.
that
Allow me
don't
to
Sudhanshu
finish.
strike
Mittal,
in
this
the
is a
sun.
question. This is a question for you, sir.
What about the Tanch Mahal?
Okay.
If women are mals, then
Please,
good,
can I
good
come
luck for
in?
you.
It has been
You have no
established
moral
that
standing
both
to ask
parties
me that question.
have people
I
who
can
have indulged in
understand
something like this, and
I
that's,
can
it's
understand
extremely
party
unfortunate
asking me,
that you
but
continue
you-
to defend
you have
yourselves.
no- you have
We
no
can go
moral
on like this.
standing,
Sudhanshu
You have-
Mittal,
you
I
have
just,
Mr. Nirupam.
can I make a point, sir?
Yes, and you heard the Prime Minister saying, I have disapproved it. I've told her and I made her apologize. And the moment, believe me, the moment there is a repetition from her, she'll be sacked. No two
But there's
debates
been a
on that.
repetition from
A
Mr.
first
Singh, Giriraj
mistake-
Singh.
No, Mr. Singh is as I said, it is a private conversation clandestinely recorded. That cannot be, he cannot be, that cannot prove his culpability. The culpability would come in a public statement, and I'll be the first one to say, sack him. He will have no excuse if he makes a public statement like that. Look, do not, because when we talk about standards, they have to have a minimum moral standards as well. A clandestinely recorded private conversation in which it was already stated, don't have a sting operation here. This is a private conversation. If that is done, and then you make him, you say it establishes culpability, I don't think that's a fair proposition.
It's very
And that
sad.
is
You
the only
sound like
reason,
you sound like you're almost accusing the person who got this clip out.
Absolutely. I
Akar
do,
Patel, apart
because-
from the sensitivity or
can I-
lack of it, how much of this is guided by politics? Because Bihar elections are around the corner. Is the BJP going to even consider action against a prominent Bhumihar leader of that state?
Partially driven by politics, driven mainly by the fact that they believe in all this kind of language. I don't think you can separate the language of the BJP leaders, whether personal or public, from their real feelings. I think the hatred and the viciousness is felt. That is what should worry us. The fact that they might do it also for electoral gain is a separate matter. But the fact, I think the fact is that we've got a leader, the Prime Minister of India, who out of 282 MPs picks and chooses this kind of person. He deliberately decides that this is the sort of man and woman he wants by his side. I think whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, that is something that we all ought to think about.
Indeed. We're going to wrap this chat
Mr.
here.
Patel,
And
you know
with
who all constitute the cabinet also. You have Mr. Arun Jaitley in the cabinet, you have Mr. Parrikar in the cabinet, you have Sushma Swaraj in the cabinet, you have Rajnath Singh in the cabinet, you have Suresh Prabhu in the cabinet.
Nobody's
You have a whole
complaining
galaxy
about
of
that.
people.
Does that justify everything else?
No, allow me.
Are you
Allow me,
justifying?
have
Are you
allowed me my
justifying what
And-
Mr.
and if
Giriraj
that-
said?
No, and if
Are
that
you
is not the
justifying it?
reflectiveness
Mr.
of the
Mittal,
mindset of
are
the
you
Prime Minister,
justifying it?
and if Mr. Giriraj
Do you
is the
want this
reflection of the
country
Prime
to be
Minister's mindset,
grateful because
I
Mr.
think you have
Jaitley
a
is
very
there?
perverse argument. You have a very perverse argument
have a
by saying
debauched
that
argument, if I
that
may
is the
say
mindset
so.
of the Prime Minister. I think your personal biases in
Okay.
terms of your political allegiance or your political philosophies
Mr. Mittal,
cannot get
the
reflected
country
by
is
such
I think
perverse
this is going to
arguments.
go on forever. I'm going to have to thank you right now. Thank you for joining us on this debate, and we're still waiting to see
country
some
is
kind of
watching
action,
you.
at
Be
least a public
careful.
condemnation from
I
the
mean,
Prime
what-
Minister of this
what an
country.
analogy.
We will have to
What a
wait and
shameful
see.
analogy
The only
you have
action
just
so
made.
far has
Careful.
come from a court in Bihar that has ordered
I
the
mean,
filing
it is
of an
perverse.
FIR.
And that
Sudhanshu
is why it
Mittal,
makes you
Sushmita
lose your
Dev, Akar
sanity.
Patel, and Kavita Emmanuel, thank you very much for joining us on this.